The pleasures of us being able to work as a family are we get to be at our home. We love being at our home. We love to look after our garden. We love to look after our barn. And to have us all here, the family here, every day is something really special. And to get to call that work. Hello, we're Jules and Steve Horrell, and we're here at our old cow barn at our home in Somerset. We serve 40 guests on a long table, and we use a whole mix of local suppliers all around us for all our produce, our meat, our breads, and we make everything from scratch. It's always been really special to us to entertain our guests, whether that be at home or work. And now we get to do that 4 times a week. It's wonderful for us to welcome new guests and old people that we know well and new people that we welcome to our table. And everybody ends up being friends by the end of the evening.
The team at Horrell and Horrell is myself, Steve, Jules, my wife, and then it's our daughter Lauren and her partner Cos. So it's just the 4 of us. We're family. Our son did used to work with us, but he's since flown the nest and he's found himself another job. We've got a lady in the village called Cam. She's part of a cooperative and she grows a lot of our fruit and vegetables for us.
We have this wonderful lady called Rose who's just up the road, and she's actually based in an old telephone exchange. She makes goat's cheese for us. So she has a mini herd of 20 Guernsey goats and she makes 15 cheeses a week. We can't have all those cheeses because she has to have some to keep in her honesty fridge. But we often will serve those cheeses to our diners. So when we moved here 8 years ago, we had a huge field, 6 acres of field, which we've turned almost an acre of that now into productive growing space. So we have raised beds, we have a polytunnel, we have a fruit and nut orchard, and all of that produce goes to our table, sometimes in a fresh state and sometimes as chutneys, jams, pickles.
I take inspiration from the season, so what's in season and what's good at the time. But also as well, cooking on the fires. I built a brick oven back in lockdown, and then I usually have an element of cooking on fire. That's a big part of what we do here. There will always be something on the menu that's been touched by fire. That's a big part of what we do here, and we do a dinner in the evening.